Hey guys, so today's a new day and I still got glitter on my face. So finally finished the glitter wall. It was a lot of work. And put a few things back in here, but I wanted to show you guys before I got too ahead of myself. But this is the glitter wall. Let me see where you guys can see it. So glitter wall. And I did the best that I could. It looks like some spaces are missing, but really if you go up close, it's really not missing at all. See, there's glitter. So it just all depends on how the light reflects on it, but overall it's a very beautiful wall. Now I am gonna be putting what they call, I want to say trim, but it's not called trim, it's called something else. It's gonna be at the top up there, along the top in the side, so it kind of look like a frame, a picture frame. And then over here, obviously my vanity and the plain wall. Now this wall right here, as you guys can see, there's like a little piece of white right there. That's because the shelf that was once there, obviously we painted it around it originally, but it doesn't matter because I'm gonna have a custom TV wall built right here on this wall. So that's why this is like this for now. It's not going to stay like this forever, but when the wall is built, the TV will be on the wall and those dressers will not exist. But yeah, this is what's been done so far. So I'm just going to continue putting things together as much as I can for now. And then I will have to update you guys later on. Okay, so today is a new day. A lot has changed. Let me show you. So my rug came in, and as you can see, it's blue with gray. So that means I changed the curtains. So these are my curtains now. It's this nice blue, and then I still have the white in the middle. I think blue looks way better than that teal. Those curtains just, after putting them up and everything, weren't doing anything for me. So this is basically what we have right now. I think the last time you guys saw me, I was doing the closet. I'm not really sure. I want to put handles or knobs on here, but this is what we have so far. So I have my shoes up there with my hair stuff over here. And then all of this over here is gonna go in the attic once winter is over and done. And then I have this organizer thing that you guys see me built here. I did originally not have it in here. Like I put it in here, then I took it out. I put it out here in the open area, but then I decided to put it back. I don't know if that's gonna be the permanent spot or not. We'll just have to wait and see. But this is kind of like the organization that I have going so far in there. And then you see Roxy on her little bed. Roxy, hi bubbles. So anyways, as you can see, the TV wall is not done yet. So that's that. But I'm gonna be working on putting things on my vanity. Oh, I did want to mention, I did recently get this one. This is the Alex 9 drawer unit, and I got it for a really good price. It was in the as is section, and as you can see, it's very much intact. The drawers work perfectly fine and everything, so I'm really happy about that. I went to IKEA to get that specific thing. I was planning on paying the actual price for it, but something told me to go to the as is section, and I did, and I got a really good deal on it. In this corner right here, right now I just have my equipment, my box lights, my ring light, my camera stand, and some backdrops back there. I don't know if I want to keep that. Like I said, it's just a lot of figuring out where I want what and how I want everything to go. But I am gonna set this up right now. You guys are gonna watch me do that. And this is, again, my glitter wall right over here, where basically my computer area is. So all of this stuff that you see over here will be over here, nicely decorated. So I'm gonna tackle that now, and we'll see what we end up with. Okay guys, so that's it. It's super noisy outside. Don't know why. But anyways, that's all that I had left to do for right now. Like I said, won't be back on camera until we start that wall back there. And once we do that, then that's basically the home stretch of everything. There's one thing I learned: renovation projects take a while. So can't wait to show you guys the finished product, but like I said, the next time you'll see me is when we're working on the wall. So stay tuned. So I know I said the next time you guys would see me, we'd be working on the wall, but I changed my mind and I'm not doing the wall. And the reason being is, to simply put it, is that we are going to be moving very, very soon. Okay, maybe I shouldn't say very, very soon, but like within a year and a half at most, but we're gonna say a year. So because of that, I didn't want to customize the wall here, because I'm going to buy a home for the first time, and in that home, that's where I want to do the wall. So instead of investing money into this house, which my girlfriend does own, we're going to invest it in the new home that I purchased in our new place. We're not going to live in Connecticut. We're going to be moving elsewhere, but we will get into details about that at a later date, a later time, when things are a little more set in stone as far as where we're moving to and all that good stuff. But for the final reveal, which is why you guys are here, I'm going to show you guys my beauty room. So behind this door right here is my beauty room. Don't mind this tape from painting the doors, you know. It's not perfect, but gotta remove that tape, just haven't done that yet. So without further ado, I'm gonna show you guys the final reveal of my room. When you first walk into my room, on the wall to your left is where my vanity sits, and that's just basically my makeup area, where all my makeup is, you know, my desk and all of that good stuff. I won't go too in depth with this part of the room, only because in the future I will definitely have a makeup storage and collection video, so you guys will know all the details about this vanity in that video. Right across from that is my desk area, and it's next to the closet. And on my desk I just have a frame, a little orchid plant that is in the process of reblooming. as well as my computer. And I have like this cover for my keyboard and I really love it. Definitely goes with the aesthetic of the room. I also put some marble contact paper on there that I just got off of Amazon. I have my gray little desk chair, and that was from Home Goods, as well as like this two drawer dresser thing. It's like a two drawer nightstand that you can get at IKEA, and again, just wrapped it in some marble contact paper. That was actually contact paper left over from the vanity, so I was only able to do the top in one drawer, but I kind of like it. In the top drawer, I just keep like essentials like pens, notebooks, cords, things like that. And then in the bottom drawer, which I won't show you, it just has some personal stuff. Moving on to the closet, I definitely have switched this up since recording all of this. But basically, it's like my storage unit. On the far left, I just keep all of my filming equipment that I don't necessarily have out. And I also have a few backdrops in the back over there. I definitely ordered those from Amazon, just in case you're wondering. I don't really prefer those though, by the way. At the top, I have my jeans, my purses, and yeah, just my clothes, guys. And then at the bottom, just my shoes. So it's kind of cramped in here. There's really nothing I can do about that right now with the size of this closet. But now that it's starting to get warmer outside, a lot of that can definitely come out. So right above the closet, I have my backdrop stand, and I purchased the backdrop stand from Amazon, and I just have it hanging up there on these two hooks that I just got from Home Depot, really inexpensive, and just hooked them right there above the closet, and it works like a dream. That way it's not all in the way. And then on this door, I just have two of my Steve Madden bags just hanging there, just because there was really no room for them in the closet. So here we are at the wall. This is the one that was originally going to be designed, but this is what I ended up with. I just ended up putting these shelves that you guys have seen so many times here throughout this vlog, be in the closet, out the closet, in the closet again. They're out now. I got these from Walmart. There's two of them. There's another one that you'll see soon. And I just basically use it for storage. Then I have this three drawer dresser. The dressers are from Target, and there's two of those as well. And then, of course, I had to put up my YouTube here. So definitely, if you aren't subscribed, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I have lots of interesting content. So join the family. Then I have these storage bins. I decided to put them all in that one. And then just some decor pieces. A lot of my decor pieces are from Home Goods, to be honest. I just absolutely love that store. Can't get enough of it. And then to the right of that is just another soft box and bass guitar. Across from that wall, you have the glitter wall, which is where the window is, and this big, huge mirror. I also got this mirror at Home Goods. I love this mirror. I just love the size of it. It's very beautiful and big enough for me. But this is the glitter wall, you guys, and in that little corner, it's just my camera stand, and that's it. But I absolutely love this wall.